Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Who truly is Chidimma Ojukwu, that 21-year-old mass communication student of University of Lagos? My people, this na question where it's there for everybody's lips. Like, truly, who is this girl behind the innocent face? Because her matter where they pop up since the death of this Michael Usifo Ataga, it surprised people. Like, her actions, her deeds, her thing she's known for does not match with her innocent face at all. But before we dive inside the matter, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you come across this video. Me na KONGOSSA TV, where we do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. If not the first time this way they stop for this channel, enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you will be amongst the first to be notified. So my beautiful people, the matter as I talk where it's everybody lips now. Who truly is this girl? Because when you take look at her interview where she take the confess the crime where she commits, my beautiful people, if you look her face, what is she they talk? It no relates with her face. Some people talk say no, na conspiracy. Some others talk say no, they don't put this girl for trap. Others talk say no, it does happen as self-defense, as in a lot of matter on the con art. Another lady self don't come, it don't bring a bungalow story for the matter, as in say make we no look this girl innocent face. So say the girl now since where the girl take this 17-year-old, my people, where she they do this kind thing. My people, make I read for una, make we listen together. The lady talk say she is a hardened criminal and this is her modus operandi. I had to save my security man from this same girl early this year who lied to get his bank account and used it to blackmail someone. He was caught and I had to help him at the station. The police then picked her up and she confessed that she was blackmailing a guy after sex, and the money was sent to my security man account as she had asked for his account because she claimed that her boyfriend sent her money and she didn't want her dad to know. Stupid security man gave her his account. If she wasn't caught, he would have been in jail. And this blackmail happened years ago. But because the security man went to the bank to close his account after years, it was brought up. My beautiful people, this one na bonga news. As in, this girl, according to what this Facebook user talk, she don't start this matter since where she take this 17-year-old, my people. This matter, because they come, they ask the woman, how sure are you, my beautiful people? The woman contact say, if I wasn't personally involved and took my lawyers to get my security out and I saw this girl, I too would be suspicious like you. This blackmail she did was like 3 years ago or so, and it was early this year my security was napped. Imagine how hardened she is 3 or 4 years ago. Hey, my people, the matter get us in there for body. In fact, a lot of story just they pop up and a lot of other people just they come out, they talk their mind about the matter. It not do reach onto this our popular Nollywood, this our popular Nigerian cross-dresser, my people, Bobrisky. Even Bobrisky self can't put in mouth joy. My people, make I retweet Bobrisky talk. Bobrisky say, honestly, this girl needs hot slap. Someone you should have kept low-key to yourself and be chilling with his money. You went ahead to send him to RIP without considering his wife and children's feeling, just because he wanted to chill with you. Sad, some of these girls are wicked, and I honestly believe it is the kind of friends they keep around. Imagine 21-year-old girl smoking like a higher assassin. This will serve a lesson to all married men to be extremely careful before you accept any girl into your life. My people, a lot of people come, they give to your mind as if that word no do. They don't come, they move youth, their pictures, their videos where they come out, they do this kind of thing as this one's the way when they see for on a screen. They talk say na demo, say na this kind range of age and this kind group where this Chidimma Ojukwu take join, take their insights, range of sugar babies, my people, because people don't post videos how they are sugar babies ready to be tempered with by sugar daddies. My people, this life no balance. We dey still struggle to dey suffer, or we dey still struggle to take investigate wetin truly happen between this Michael Usifo Ataga and Chidimma Ojukwu, my people. Others they use their parole, just they want to grow, as in just want to showcase their market, their pepper where they sell, my people. My people, as the matter take day, this youth of today, me no know wetin we dey think, as in tomorrow dey so they say there is light at the end of the tunnel, but the life wey some of these youth dey take live, they no go take see light at all. I see the matter, I say no, wetin dey happen, make me I bring am for here, make me I come ask and say, my fellow people, wetin una think, as in wetin dey play, truly who is this girl? Because a lot of people don say, when she dey do this interview, somebody they say, who go help tell this girl, say make she no open her mouth, why? Because wetin she talk go take send her to cri for the rest of her life. Say she supposed dey with lawyer to take prevent am to talk wetin she dey talk. My people, news still reach us say the time wey they take the arrest this girl, they follow arrest her father, as in her papa take join. Why? Because the father resist the arrest. The father say, no, my daughter cannot do such a thing. My daughter, you know, if you do this kind of matter, my beautiful people, as in they talk, so now police officers take hold and too say you are resisting arrest, my people. At all, the father no be know which kind daughter in gets, because after when this matter happen, now this Chidimma Ojukwu matter they come out in videos where they smoke as if, my people, she na shame me. Her videos where she they take the showcase her body, as in he believes say wetin her parents know about her. Her parents no know nothing about her, my beautiful people. Anyways, I get video for here where she dey talk with some few people inside her boutique, my people, where they tell her say, she gets future for she feel work for Arise TV, my people. I beg una go watch the video, but before una go, make una no forget for subscribe for this TV, make una no forget for turn on una post notification, so that whenever I upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. I love you all, and until then, see you. Ciao.
Interview you guys, please go on, please don't do this to me. Don't mind that. Let her be questioning you. You know what you should do? I'm enjoying. You know what she should be doing? She should be on Arise TV. You know what? Why are you shy? You can't do that, because are you shy? And not be studio, but even this place. Come. Me where she is not here, they drink, I be full. And me where they don't here, they drink, I be full. Not be studio now, but you've done very well. I like your chop knuckle. Come, we can promote you. Hello.
She's showing her skills.
Yeah, she's showing her skills. Yeah, she is. She is. You've done well. I be Chidimma. You've done well, man. Anyway, nice one. Later.